Hello, everyone. I sent out a message through our new Microsoft Teams instant messaging system to all of the high school staff earlier this week and found out that people didn't realize that they were getting these messages. And that's because the alerts are not set up properly on Teams. So, this is something that everybody's going to need to manually do so that you get alerts. You'll click in, I'm on my Teams tab. Probably most of you kind of hang out or live in the chat um, part of this, but when you go to the teams, if you click into your team and then you go to the three dots up here in the upper right, there's an option about channel notifications. For some reason, I think people are defaulted to this custom. I don't know what the custom settings are, but you're going to want to set this as to be all um, activity, posts, replies, mentions. So you're going to want to go through and do that in each of your teams that you belong to in order to make sure that when something is sent out that you're getting the messages. So we can just double check, see that's there. And so I'm going into each of my teams right now and making sure that they are set up properly in order to make sure that I get notices if anybody sends a message on one of these teams or within one of these teams. So please go ahead and do that. Thank you guys. Have a great day.